Imagine apps so smart they can think for you, organize your life, and even create art. Yeah, we're not talking about your usual App Store fodder. These are powered by artificial intelligence. Welcome to AI Gadget Prodigy, and today I'm diving deep into the top 5 AI apps you absolutely need to download right now. We're talking about apps that will revolutionize how you work, how you play, and honestly, how you live your digital life. So buckle up because things are about to get crazy smart. First up, we've got ChatGPT. You guys have probably heard of this one, and for good reason. It's like having a super smart friend in your pocket who can answer any question, have a conversation with you, or even write you a poem. Seriously, you ask, what's the capital of France? ChatGPT instantly says Paris. It's that simple. But here's where it gets really interesting. ChatGPT can write different kinds of creative content like poems, codes, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, and it will even answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Trust me, once you go AI chatbot, you won't go back. Next up is Canva, but not just any Canva, we're talking Canva AI. Now, Canva has always been great for design, but with AI it's like having a personal design assistant. This thing is a game changer, especially if you're not a design whiz. Upload a photo and Canva's AI can remove the background in one click. No more messing around with complicated tools. Need a logo, a social media post, or even a presentation? Canva AI can generate tons of options for you in seconds. It can even suggest color palettes and fonts based on your content. It's like magic, but smarter. Chapter 3, Grammarly, your AI writing coach. Let's be real, we've all sent that email or text with a typo we didn't catch. Well, those days are over, my friends, thanks to Grammarly. This AI-powered writing assistant is like having a grammar expert looking over your shoulder 24/7. You type "I go to school" and Grammarly is right there to say it should be "I went to school." Easy fix. But it's not just about catching typos. Grammarly helps you write clearer, more concise, and more engaging content. It's like having an editor in your pocket, making you a better writer, one word at a time. Chapter 4, Dream by Wombo, unleash your inner artist. Ever wished you could paint like Picasso or create surreal landscapes? Well, with Dream by Wombo, you can. This AI-powered app lets you turn your wildest dreams into stunning pieces of art. And the best part, you don't need any artistic skills whatsoever. Just type in a prompt, choose an art style, and watch as Wombo's AI transforms your words into a visual masterpiece. It's like having a pocket-sized art studio that can create anything you can imagine. Seriously, the possibilities are endless. Chapter 5, Notion AI, the ultimate productivity booster. Last but not least, we have Notion AI, the ultimate productivity app for the AI age. Notion is already a powerhouse for note-taking, task management, and collaboration. But with AI, it goes to a whole new level. Imagine this. You say, plan my study schedule, and Notion AI does it in seconds. It can also summarize lengthy documents, brainstorm ideas, translate languages, and even write blog posts for you. Think of all the time you'll save. Notion AI is like having a personal assistant that helps you get things done faster and more efficiently. Outro, the future is now. Download these apps. These apps are not just cool, they're game changers. They're going to revolutionize the way we interact with our phones and with technology as a whole. So, which one are you downloading first? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious to see what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Gadget Prodigy for more amazing tech tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out. We've got a lot more AI awesomeness coming your way. With these AI apps, the future is literally at your fingertips. So start exploring and let technology make your life better. See you in the next video.